Hi Disney foodies, welcome to my channel. My name is Mike and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite dishes from Disney World. It's called honey sesame chicken and you can find it at the Nine Dragons restaurant in the China Pavillion in Epcot. So let's get started. And as you can see, I've got my Disney ink and paint apron on, ready to cook. Woohoo! And it's got all the colorful characters on here. Now let's do some Disney cooking. First, we need 10 to 12 ounces chicken breast, and you want to cut that into cubes. Next, we need to make the marinade. So we need 1 teaspoon chicken base, dash of white pepper, salt to taste, sugar to taste, half teaspoon cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. So now this goes in the fridge for 30 minutes. To make the batter, we need 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1 heaping teaspoon baking powder, half of a beaten egg, 2 tablespoon oil, 2/3 cup of water, and a pinch of salt. To make the honey sauce, we need 1/8 cup plus 1 tablespoon of honey. We need 1/4 cup sugar, 1/8 cup ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. So we're going to take a piece, dip it into the batter, make sure it's all coated.
As the phrase he highlighted in December in the Washington Post, celebrate.
And when it's nice and orangey like this, you know it's ready.
And so, the trial will begin with a constitutional to create that option, right? That clause can only apply to someone who...
Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, please subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Bye!